these are a really cool little sensory deal here. What this is it's a very soft and fuzzy little maze. And unlike a regular maze, which is on a piece of paper, these are a little mat maze. Inside of these is a ball, and they are stitched. So whenever you hit a boundary, it will stop. You won't be able to go through, just like a regular paper maze. So like right here, it stopped. So I have to go a different way. This is such a great fidget. It's a really good way to kind of help calm down, help self-regulate. This could be a good little corner activity for your kiddos at school, like a little quiet corner activity, or if your kiddos are feeling a little overwhelmed. It's very relaxing. It's really fun to do. And then I got to the end of the maze there. Very cool. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
All right. Can you feel the bead in there? Yeah, just like that. And you can move it just like that with your finger. Yeah. So you can move it this way. You were stuck at a dead end there. Or you can put it down flat and you can move it that way too.
Hey, I got the end.
Good job.